Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can hide your games on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the homepage you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go right here to the game library, you're gonna find all of the games and apps installed on your device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And lastly, if you go here to the top, you're gonna find games, media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on it. And after that, right here, you're gonna find your online status, profile, trophies, switch user, and lastly, logout. Go ahead and click on profile. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find overview, games, friends, shared. Here you're gonna find online status, share profile, edit profile, and lastly, your privacy settings. Go ahead and click on privacy settings. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your privacy settings. So just go ahead and scroll a little bit down, and here under your activity, you're gonna find who can see your online status and what you're currently playing, who can see your gaming history, and here under it you're gonna find the option to hide your games from other players. Just go ahead and click right here, and then as you can see guys, right here, you can hide your games from other players. As you can see guys, you can hide them one by one if you want. For example, I'm gonna hide this one. Once you hide it, as you can see guys, other people won't be able to see it when viewing your profile. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.